Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready to learn the other set of sight words? I know I am. So, before we begin, let's go over what we need. You need to print out your sight words for today. You need to print out the dice template, and you need to print out the roll a sight word. Now, we're going to have fun with roll a sight word because we're learning about rainbows. So we're going to use the colors of the rainbow. But before we do that also, let's do what we always do. Cut out our sight words for today. So remember what you do, always cut away. So you cut your sight words. I'm just going to do the first ones with you because I already have my sight words cut out. So we can begin this fun activity. So you cut, all right, and you cut your sight words. If you need help from mommy and daddy, you can. So after you cut your sight words all out, they'll look like this. Then you have to cut your dice out. Same thing, have mommy and daddy help you. You cut your dice out like that and so forth, and you keep cutting all around. And then you fold it into the dice. And you could use tape to help you get this. So let's go over the numbers on the dice that we will need. So we have 1. And then you have 1, 2. 2. And then we go over to here. So we have 1, 2, 3. And then we go here and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to this one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 5. And then the last number on the dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So we know the numbers on the dice. Now, to relate to the roll a sight word game, on your paper it has the numbers as well. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how are we going to make it rainbow? I'll show you before we go over our sight words. Each number is going to be a color of the rainbow. Can we go over the colors? So we have red, we have orange, and we have yellow, and then we have green, and then we have blue, and then we have purple. Now, if you don't have markers, you can use crayons or colored pencils. And then each dice number is going to be a color. So 1 is going to be red. So you take it and you color in your red dice. Number 1 is going to be the red dice color. There. And then the next one, number 2 is going to be orange. Number 3 is going to be good yellow. Number 4 is going to be green. And number 5 is going to be blue. And number 6 is going to be purple. Excellent job knowing your colors of the rainbow. And there is your rainbow dice. I'll tell you more about why we're using the colors of the rainbow on the dice, because Ms. Lori read you a book about rainbows and how a rainbow is formed and did a fun rainbow experiment with you. So I decided to make this game into a rainbow game. Rolla's sight word was rainbows. That sounds like fun. So before we go into knowing why we need the colors of the rainbow again, let's go over the words for this week. We already went over the first set of sight words, and here is the second set. The first word, remember to repeat me after I say it. I'm going to say the word, spell the word, and you're going to say it with me afterwards. Did, D-I-D, did. Next word is what, W-H-A-T. Next is so, S-O, so. Get, G-E-T, get. Like, L-I-K-E, like. This, T-H-I-S, this. Will, W-I-L-L, will. Do, D-O, do. Went, oops, here it is, went, W-E-N-T, went. Yes, Y-E-S, yes. The last word is R-A-R-E, R. Good job. Now, just like we played in Dinosaur Bingo, you have to pick 6 words. You can put the words in front of you to help you know which 6 you want to put. And then you pick 6 up, and then you put them at each number using the colored marker. I'm putting them all out in front of me so I know which 6 I want to use. So I want to use the word get for number 1. So you see over here underneath each number, you write one of the words. I'm going to write get for number 1, and I'm going to use the red. So I'm going to write G-E-T. And I'll show you when I'm done. Next is orange, and I'm going to use yes for number 2, which is orange. I'm going to use the word yes, Y-E-S. Next, I'm going to use yellow, and I'm going to pick the word like, L-I-K-E, like. And then I'm going to use green, and I'm going to pick the word do, D-O. And next, I'm going to pick blue. I'm going to pick the word will, W-I-L-L. And last is color purple. I'm going to pick the word so, S-O. And it's okay if you didn't pick R, this, what, went, and did. You could play again and use those words. So here are my 6 words. Get, yes, like, do, will, so. Then I'm going to take the dice. Here's the fun part. We're going to do some writing and roll the dice. Oh, what number did I get? Good. I got the number 6. And if we look at 6, I need to use the purple marker, and I have to write the word so. And then you write S-O. Then you go again, or if you're playing with someone, they will go, and you roll the dice. Oh, I got the number 5. I look for the number 5 which is the word, and you could look at the color too, so you know that 5 has the color blue. You're gonna write the word will underneath. W-I-L-L. And you're gonna keep going. And your parents can keep going. Oh, I got the number 6 again. That means I have to take purple and write the word so again. So sometimes you have to write the words over and over again. Now, what happens if you get all the words done and you get that number? Then you have to roll again. So let's see what I get now. Oh, I got 5 again. Looks like I'm writing will and so over and over again. Number 5 is will, and I'm using blue. Let's see if I get another number. Oh, yes I did. I got the number 4, which is going to be our green color. You see? And I'm going to write the word do. D-O. I'm going to go, how about 3 more times? Oh, I got the number 1, which is going to be, if you look, number 1 is the red color. I'm going to write the word get. G-E-T. And then I'm going to roll again. Oh, I got the number 3, which is over here, and it's the color yellow, yes. And it's like. I'm going to take my yellow marker, L-I-K-E. I'm going to roll one more time. Yay! I wrote all the words. I got the number 2, which is the word yes, and it's orange. Y-E-S. Now, you can keep going until you have filled up all the spaces for roll a sight word. Rainbow style, right? I liked playing this game with you, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Practice your sight words, and I hope to see some videos and pictures for you to send this to your teachers to show how much fun you're having. See you soon. Bye.